Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a developing story. President of the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, Professor Fritz Pinnock, has taken a leave of absence. The news comes amidst an ongoing scandal that has rocked the educational institution. We have the details in this report.
For the next 6 weeks, Professor Fritz Pinnock will be on leave from the Caribbean Maritime University. The leave takes effect today. According to a release from the CMU, the institution's president took leave voluntarily to ensure transparency and give the investigations time to finish. The release further stated that Professor Pinnock did not want the investigations to overshadow the integrity of the CMU, the work of its management, staff, and students. In reaction to the developments, opposition spokesman on education Ronald Thwaites said the move was long overdue.
Dr. Pinnock should have given space for the investigations from a long time ago. I'm glad that better sense has prevailed now. It is better for himself and certainly for the institution. Regretfully, there is so much more to be cleared up. It really is very embarrassing.
The CMU, the former Minister of Education Ruel Reid, and the Ministry of Education by extension have been the subjects of intense investigations by the police following allegations of corruption. Mr. Reid had been booted from the post as Minister of Education since March, and there have been calls for Professor Pinnock to follow. On Wednesday, Public Administration and Appropriations Committee PAAC member Michael Phillips labeled some of the developments surrounding CMU as a cesspool that stinks to high heavens. His remarks came after it was revealed that a second household helper assigned to former Education Minister Ruel Reid was the recipient of contracts from the CMU. This was an exchange at the PAAC sitting Wednesday about the matter.
Is one of your caterers Maureen Blake?
That's correct.
And another one, Kim Brown Lawrence?
That's correct.
Is Kim Brown Lawrence, is it the same Kim Brown Lawrence that is the councillor for the Brownstown division?
Yes, sir.
Maureen Blake, is this the same person that is being paid through the ministry as a household helper also for the former minister? P.S., are you able to tell us?
Well, I don't have the full information here, sir, but I believe in the early stages of 2016, there was a Maureen Blake that was employed through the ministry as the helper. I am not able to say, however, if she continued throughout the process until the minister left.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.